I think I just found the coolest little device to help you charge all of your devices when on your vacation or when you're out and about at work and at play. And we're going to look at it in this video. Coming up.
Living deadly, la la la, living deadly, la la la, li, hit, 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 living deadly, woo! Living deadly, living deadly, living deadly, living deadly.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ed, and I have a question. You ever been on vacation and you need to charge your devices? And there's only one port. What? No good. I think I found the coolest solution to help you charge up your devices when you're on the go, on vacation, and in your travels. It's this little baby right here. Now it's funny what you pick up when you're just walking around. I wasn't even looking for any kind of tech or gear, but I happened to be in Pottery Barn just shopping for some furniture, and lo and behold, I see this little puppy right here. It is the High Roller 4-port USB charger. Ready? Ta-da! Here it goes. It's compact, it's strong. It's made out of this kind of denim material. So it's durable. It looks like it may be resistant to water. I don't know. Doesn't say it on the package, so don't quote me. But I'm pretty sure it might be. But don't tell Pottery Barn I said that. This is what it looks like when you open it. Has this really interesting design. Clips. Has actually two button clips. So if you happen to pack a little more, you're able to. It unfolds. And it has this really interesting compartment. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That you can put accessories in it as well. Here we go. Rolling it up, rolling it up, rolling it up, and yeah. It rolls up nicely. And then when I'm ready, and here it is. You know what? I'm going to connect some wires just to give you an idea what it looks like. Right? Plugs in here. There you go. You can charge 2 devices and you have 2 to spare. So if you're like me, when I travel with the family, I always have a need to charge devices, and hotel rooms never seem to have enough. So this really can come in handy really well. Has a convenient on and off button. It's where the power adapter plugs in. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Nice, simple, small, compact, convenient. It's really handy. I didn't expect to find this in Pottery Barn, but hey, it's cool. I noticed that in Pottery Barn they had some productivity devices. So it looks like they're stretching into office, gear, and tech, which is pretty cool. Just to be open with you guys, Pottery Barn did not sponsor this channel. Although it would be cool if they did, but they didn't. It's just something that I found on my travels walking around the city. So if you do happen upon this, pick it up. It's cool, it's handy, it's portable, and it's strong, and it can help you, especially if you have more than one kid and they're kind of nagging you. Dad, I want to charge. Dad, my pad ran out. Dad. And you're like, what? Enough. This will come to the rescue. So I hope you like this. It's just a first look. I like finding little things like this, little gear and tech that is useful and handy. You never know when you need it when you're out and about. Well guys, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button to get more videos like this. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much for all the individuals who have subscribed to the channel so far. And I will see you in the next video. Dad out. Living Deadly, Living Deadly.
Living Deadly, living that.
That's my son making music.
Living that.